All right, welcome back to the third video for the review sheet. For question number 13, I want to solve for x, absolute value. So I need to isolate the absolute value first by adding 5 to both sides. So I get the absolute value of 7x minus 2 equals positive 3, right? Absolute value has to equal positive. And then I think of it as a positive response and a potential negative response. Add 2, divide by 7. Multiply by negative 1. Add 2. Divide by 7. Question number 14. Absolute value of 3x plus 5 equals 7. Positive response. And then don't forget the negative response. I'm going to subtract 5 and divide by 2. I'm going to multiply by a negative. I'm going to subtract 5 and I'm going to divide by 3. Divide by 3, divide by 3, there you go. If they ask you to graph this one, it's just 2 points as opposed to the inequalities. All right, to solve this inequality, I'm going to first add 8. Negative 3a greater than or equal to 24. Divide by negative 3. When I divide by negative, make sure you flip the sign. And then if I was asked to graph this, so less than or equal to, therefore I have a closed circle heading that way. Less than or equal to gives me a closed circle. 16, distribute the negative 5. Distribute the 3. Get all the x's on one side. So I'm going to subtract 3x. I'm going to add 5. Divide by negative 13. Divided by negative, so flip that sign. And then you'll probably be asked to graph it. Negative 11/13 is a little bit less than negative 1. Sorry, a little bit greater than negative 1. It's going to be a closed circle. Number 17. I want to solve for x. Need to subtract 8. So negative 3 less than 3x less than positive 11. Divide by 3. Divide everything by 3. So negative 1 less than x less than 11 thirds. open circle, and it's going to be between. X is between -1 and 11/3. Okay, so now you need to go to the last video to look at the last set of questions, numbers 18 through 22.